Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you about the vanishing coin magic trick. This will be an absolutely beginner tutorial and I'll be showing you how to do it throughout this video. So let's get right into the video. All that you need for this tutorial and for this magic trick is a coin, any coin. I have a Canadian quarter over here. You want to choose a medium-sized coin if you can, because bigger coins are harder to conceal and smaller coins are harder to move around and to hold, right? Because they can fall through your fingers and so forth. So I'm going to show you how the trick works. You can use this trick to fool anybody realistically, but it's more likely to fool someone with a younger mind, like a younger child. I use this trick with I have 4 young kids. I use this trick to fool my kids all the time and they fall for it all the time. Okay? Are you going to fool a group of adults with this trick? Maybe not, but can you fool a small group of kids? Probably so, okay? It all depends on the situation. So this is how the trick works. Essentially, you're going to prime the audience for you switching hands with the coin, right? You want to make it seem like it's normal for you to switch hands with the coin. So you're going to say, "Do you see the coin? Yeah. Do you see the coin? Yeah. What about you? Yeah. What about you?" Then you're going to say, "I'm going to make it disappear." You're going to put it in the palm of your hand like that, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to palm it like this. So I'm going to take the coin and I'm going to transfer it to this hand over here. I'm going to use this hand to grab the coin out of this hand over here, okay? And then I'm going to go, boom, gone. Just like that. Well, I was squeezing my hand pretty hard for it to turn that red. Gone, right? Where's the coin? Oh, wait. It was right over here. You don't have to show them that part. So essentially what you're doing, okay, it's good. You're priming the audience. I'm a psychology graduate. I graduated with a degree in psychology from university. So you're priming the brains of the audience, the minds of the audience for switching hands. Do you see the coin? Yeah. Do you see the coin? Yeah. Then you're going to let it go in one hand, okay? For myself, because I have my wedding ring on, I always, like my kids always just say, like, it's an added stimulation, right? So just because it dings off the wedding ring, right? So they realize, oh yeah, it is in that hand, which in reality it is. Then what you're going to do is you're going to palm the coin like this. So you're going to palm the coin like this, and you're going to grab the coin from your hand, okay? So I've grabbed the coin from my hand. In reality, the coin is sitting right here, but you want to let it sit, just hang really low. So like, this is how my hands normally are resting anyways. The coin is actually, I'll just keep my hand like that. The coin is actually just resting just on my fingertips. You have to be careful so it doesn't fall. But if you palm it properly, just curl your fingers the slightest bit, it's going to stay there. And you distract them with this hand. Where did it go? Where did it go? It's gone, just like that. So you see the coin, you see the coin, you see the coin, you see the coin. I'm going to make it disappear right now. Here we go. Bam. And in reality, it's over here the whole time. Now, like I said, is this the most realistic vanishing coin trick? No, there are ones that look a decent amount better, but they do take longer to master. This is a vanishing coin trick that you can learn in a matter of 5 minutes. You can have this down pat. I learned this in 5 minutes. I've been using it for years with my kids, my nieces, my nephews, my friends' kids. Like I'm the magician. Even though I don't know much about actually doing like really good magic, this is a simple magic trick that works. And like you could probably fool adults with it as well if you master it. But even as a beginner, you'll be able to fool kids with this little trick. So that's it. If you like this, like I said, there are ones that are better, but if you want to dedicate 6 months to a year to learning how to vanish a coin in a one that is like 10% better, totally fine, right? That's great. But for me, this is the one that I learned and I absolutely love, this vanishing coin trick. It's that simple. Gone. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Sorry, I'm gonna be honest with you right there as before I finish this video. I was trying to work it out so that I pretended to take the coin from the camera's ear, but that didn't work. So anyways, I kind of messed up that outro and I'm legendary for my outro. So we're going to try that one more time. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.